What if I tell you that the YouTube channel you abandoned, yes, the one gathering dust right now, could still be revived and start making you money? What if the only thing standing between you and monetization are strategy, clarity, and the right use of tools like ChatGPT, Gemini AI, and others for you to revive your YouTube channel? In this video, I will show you how I use Gemini AI to revamp my own YouTube channel, this one you are watching now, regain consistency, and start pushing it seriously towards monetization. And the best part is, you too can do the exact same thing. With no further delay, let's dive into it. So this was what I did. I copied my channel URL, that is my YouTube channel, and went to Gemini AI. I pasted the YouTube channel there, included my name, that is my channel name, and also what my content was all about, which was CapCut video editing for beginners. That is a basic video editing for CapCut for beginners, and also YouTube growth tips. So I now told Gemini AI that I've stopped posting for some time, and I want them to give me clarity and strategies and how I can revive my channel and push it to monetization. So I told them everything. So the same thing you should do. So after pasting it there, I allowed them to come up with the result. And they said, analyzing your channel Monic handle, which focuses on CapCut editing, YouTube growth and content ideas, reviews a lot of potential. While you've been away for a few months, your niche is highly searchable, meaning people are constantly looking for the exact tutorial you provide. So here is a detailed breakdown of what you can do to revive your channel, correct past mistakes, and reach monetization. The first thing they listed was pointing out what I've been doing wrong, which is the inconsistency in posting. That is the inconsistency gap. That YouTube algorithm prioritize channels that viewers return to. When you stop posting, your returning viewers matrix drop to zero. So that was the first thing they pointed out. After pointing out my mistakes, I was told to commit to a 30 days reset post. That means I have to be posting consistently. It might not be every day, but I have to post like 2 videos a week and 3 to 5 shots per week. And I'm working seriously on being consistent. At least I will give myself applause that I've been consistent, and I wish to be consistent. Gemini AI went ahead to suggest some things for me that I should break down my videos, especially my tutorial videos, into smaller parts, and also update my thumbnail, my titles, and video description. It went ahead to give me more suggestions that I should create a comeback video and also post on my community tab, informing my subscribers that I am back. Then I should also optimize my description, that is my channel description. I should ask Gemini AI to give me to generate 5 SEO optimized YouTube channel description for my niche so that I can meet up with the trendy algorithm. As you know, the algorithm keeps changing and you have to follow what the algorithm is saying. So I have to optimize my YouTube channel to meet the current algorithm, not what I left before. And another tips was for me to create short videos. Yeah, short videos informing my subscribers also that I am back, because short gives you more subscriber. It gives you visibility, but I don't want to focus on short video because short has its own limitation. So I don't want to focus on it. I've posted some short videos. Yes, I had view on it, and I'm still having views. If you go through most of my short videos, I have more views than I have on my long form video. So I don't want to focus on short because it reduces the amount of views I have on my long form video. The people that view short are different from the people that view long form video. Gemini AI also went further to suggest that I should engage more in the comment section by replying to comments, liking the comment, and also asking questions, which I've been doing. If you go through most of the comment section, I've been replying to comments. Yes, I do that a lot. And these are some of the tips that they gave me. It also went ahead to suggest that I should engage the assistant of AI tools like Gemini AI, ChatGPT for script writing, and also to help create content calendar, to give me 30 days content calendar for YouTube channel, focus on CapCut video editing and YouTube growth, and also competitors analysis. Tell Gemini about a popular video in your niche and ask, how can I make a better version of this video? These are the things you can ask AI tools to do for you to help revive your old YouTube channel. And to the fourth one, which is pushing towards monetization. As you know, being monetized on YouTube, especially for your long form videos, you need 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. To get monetized fast on YouTube, you have to create playlists where people can find all your videos. Also get affiliate link where you can start earning even before you get monetized. And also call to action, ask people to subscribe while watching. Not just subscribe, but also come back to get more tips from your channel. I will add this to the monetization tips. Going live on YouTube is one of the fastest way to get monetized, apart from getting a viral video. We all pray for a viral video, but going live can also assist you to get monetized fast on YouTube, especially to get watch hours on time. Post on other platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Post your videos there. Don't just wait. Post your video and direct people to come watch your video on YouTube. This is another way to help revive your YouTube. All these tips will go a long way to revive your YouTube because I've already put them into effect. This very tip, which is also important, that is getting trending topics. Know what people are searching. Know what your analytics is saying, where people are watching you from. You can get all this from your YouTube studio. I will create a detailed video on how you can make use of these tools on YouTube. If you don't know how to get trending topics, what people are searching for, I'll create a detailed video on it to explain to you how you can use it. You don't have to start searching elsewhere. As you grow on YouTube, they provide all these tools for you to help make content creation on YouTube easy. As you can see from this video, these were all the things suggested, and this is what I'm following, and I've been trying to be consistent. You too can do that. You can follow these tips and be consistent to revive that your old YouTube channel. You don't need to start all over. You just need to find a way, a strategy, clarity that can help you to revive your old YouTube channel. Gemini AI or ChatGPT, any of these two can help you out with that. Then you can use your initiative to add some things to it. Just take the right step in the right direction. Go into your YouTube studio right now, go through your analytics and use the available AI tools that can help you to revive your channel, to know what is trending and what the algorithm is currently saying. Ask all the necessary tough questions and let it guide you in the right direction, because right now the YouTube algorithm has changed, so you have to follow the trend and know what to put out there for your viewers as you revive your channel. What is stopping you from reviving that old YouTube channel? And have you tried using AI tools to revive your channel before? Let me know your stories, your challenges, and the success in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more creator tips, and don't forget to drop a comment. Go back to that old YouTube channel you've abandoned for years, revive it, and push it seriously towards monetization. That growth starts today. Don't procrastinate. Go and make it happen. Welcome back to the Creators Journey.